Welcome back, everybody. November 6th. I'm on a different route than what I normally take. I like coming down through here. I like coming down through here in the little dual sport because it has the suspension for it. We'll see how long my back will take the punishment of this tiny little road. But, you know, we have a little bit of color still. And we have some gorgeous rock face cliff things. Up there we have the Hocking River to our right, and I have no idea the name of this road. It's right outside of Somerset, Ohio. There's some pretty fall colors still. The little trees, it's really pretty down through here. I should have came down through here when you know, it was really pretty. Look at that gorgeous piece of property. Can someone ride so I can just look, please? So once again, if you see any fall colors, let me know so we can get some video of it, so I can send it down to Debbie, and she can join in all of the fall something that we are. Yeah, you know, English sometimes just does not come to this boy. I'm not used to riding the black Spyder and the air coming off of this windscreen, even at 37 miles per hour. It's kind of like pulsing. So it sounds weird in my helmet. It's just a very dirty windscreen. The air coming off of the windscreen, I should say, is just very dirty. I like the air off of the F3T so much better. These bumps. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this road or not. I hope I can. This thing's set up for like maximum payload with that rear shock, so it's very stiff. And since I've gone from 340 pounds down to 273 is my weigh in today, the Spyder, and I have the shad bags off of it. No need to carry them around if there's nothing in them. So the Spyder is very rough compared to the white one, which has a gorgeous rear air shock on the back of it, which makes it's so stiff. Oh my goodness. Which makes riding it so much better on my back and hips. Oh, it's so gorgeous down through here. It truly is. And the road's good enough. I could have brought the white Spyder down through here. I don't remember the last time I've been on the black Spyder. So I was like, what the hey, you know, let's take the black Spyder out and get a nice little ride in today. So I didn't get to ride a lot this summer. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough videos. So I might have to get creative this winter for videos. So I'm gonna try to ride. I rode yesterday. No, I didn't get a ride yesterday. I had to watch grandkids. I rode whatever day before yesterday was. What is today? Monday. So I rode Saturday for a little bit. I'm gonna ride today, and oh my goodness, this road with this shock is just cracking me up. Yeah, away, what's a pig? Look how pretty that is. Yeah, it's just so stiff. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I should have brought the white Spyder down through here. Oh, well, here's Mom, so let's take this telephone call. Here's some pretty colors. All right, we are back. I have to do some errands for the mother person. So when I get home, it will be a lunch and then picking up some medicine for her and taking it over to her. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you hear it in my voice how stiff this Spyder is now? Holy cow. I'm gonna have to take some preload out of that rear shock, I think. Or put the shag bags back on and just load them up. Oh yes, this needs to be just a little softer. I was on this road coming around here and the chain popped off of my dual sport and I parked right here and had to put the chain back on. It scared me for a second. And then I was like, oh my goodness, you know, I don't want to be riding home at 50 some miles per hour and have that chain come off and go through the case. But it did fine. I just took it easy as I could. And got it home and adjusted it. I still have the factory chain on it, and it's a very cheap chain, and they stretch over time, but I don't know if I'm going to be keeping the dual sport much longer, to be honest with you. I didn't get to ride it any this year, and last year I only took it out once. I don't know if me riding that is going to do more damage or not. we were slideways, not front tire gripped. I was a little concerned on that. That would have been bad if that front tire would have yeah, it would have been bad. We would have endoed. You would have seen Fat Man Supermaning through the sky. Oh jeez. Oh, so can you ride an F3 off-road? I think you can. This road is really, 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 really bad. The Hocking Canal came down through here. And I think it's a really, really pretty ride, to be honest with you. It's just suited for something with a little bit more suspension, like the dual sport, than this black F3. But, you know, what the hey. There we go. Gravel road. Oh, jeez. We're coming in at speed, too. 46 miles per hour down a gravel road on the F3. Oh, I've never gone this quick down a road like this before. Look at those pretty colors. Oh, jeez. I'll tell you, this thing is a beast. Like I said, I can't hurt this thing. We got 80,000 miles on it. I'll try to avoid the major stuff. We're catching up with cars. Oh, that can't be good. Oh, gee. And there's knock number 12. Oh, my heavens. Oh, it's getting worse. Oh, I can't breathe. Oh, I can't get it that sideways. The Spyder does not like going that sideways with that wheel. Oh, I'm gonna crash this thing. Oh, big bump. Oh, you just gotta have fun sometimes. I'm a kid at heart, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I will, I'll send this video to Debbie so she can see what she's getting into. Oh, and I swear I don't ride like an ass when I have somebody in the back. But it is definitely a fun ride today. Oh, I haven't had this much fun in a long time. Yeah, let's wait on it. Doing 70. Oh, it's too fun. Brooklyn's again. We'll gear my in the high end in a second. Oh my goodness. What is wrong? Oh, what is wrong with me? Oh, more bumps, more bumps. too quick for that little road. Let's see if I can stop in time. Yeah, look at that little creek right there in the Hocking River. All right, let's calm it down a little bit. Now that I'm on this beautiful paved road, I've been driving completely sane. I swear. I was not slideways half the time down that gravel road. I guess I enjoy being stupid sometimes. You gotta have fun in life. You know, you can't just be a stupid prick all the time, frowning at people having fun. Man, that was a blast. That was a blast. I had a really good time. I don't care about the back tire, it needs changed. I don't care. It's not gonna hurt the Spyder going a little crazy in gravel. I'm just glad. Oh, I'm just glad that that front tire just never really caught. That would have sucked. And if it would have, then it would have been my fault for having too much fun. Oh, let's see if we can get a good look at the, go around the lake. That's Lake-O Mud right there. There we go. So people kayak and tube, and they can get out right here or get in, you know. But yeah, look how sleepy that little river is. Absolutely gorgeous area down through here. Where's the best way to come on? Right here. Beautiful little road, beautiful little ride. I'm glad I was able to play around. You know, you need that at times. I'm a gearhead. I've been a gearhead my whole entire life, but I gave it up because my body said no more. So I went from working in a shop to working in an office setting for an insurance company, and I am just me in an office setting. I do fine in it, but I still like to play. I like to play with cars. I like to play with my Spyders, and I like to be stupid sometimes. I just don't learn. So yeah, that was a blast. That was well needed. Am I in first gear yet? Oh, that was so fun. And let's see if this brick road, let's see if we can do the brick road. I should probably be home cutting grass, but I have a date in 2 weeks, and I don't want to do anything stupid as I go down that road completely sideways. Oh my goodness. I don't want to do anything stupid that's going to actually hurt, because I cannot hurt myself to where I can't walk, and I've done that many times. Oh, they're pumping back out the soot, not soot, but all the silt. Yeah, it's too easy to hurt my back to where I can't enjoy life or even walk comfortably. So no more physical activity, major physical activity like mowing the grass until after this date. First date. Eesh. Oh my goodness. With someone different in over 28.5 years, but this road is so bad. If it's bad, just go faster, right? And you just hit the top of the bumps. Oh, that's it now, baby. Oh, yeah. So, I will let everybody know how the... I can't even talk on this road. Oh, I'm having a lot of fun. I'll let everybody know how the day goes. Oh my goodness, wish me luck. I think I'm gonna need it. That's a good thing we're gonna have this date before this video comes out, because she would be like, you're crazy, and no. So remember, I'm perfectly sane, I'm not crazy, and I always do the most intelligent things in life. Whew, I'm actually sweating. That was so much fun. Okay, so now where am I gonna go? I don't want to be down in Logan. I just did Logan, literally on the White Spyder. I don't even remember where I went on the White Spyder. See, that's what happens when you get old. Oh, let's zip up the pocket. And the hiccups are coming again. No, darn hiccups. They're with some baseball field right there, and they took him out for whatever reason. Ugh, hiccup. Hiccup. Let's see if we can get rid of these hiccups. Guys, we come into Logan and see here's another canoe. It might even be the same canoe people that we were just at. You know, still just the same sleepy Hocking River. Yeah, there was a roundhouse that used to be right there, and some moron burned it down. It's sat empty for years and years and years. And then I need to get a hold of Iron Pony. Maybe I can go on to Shoei's website and see if they have a help thing, and I can tell them what I need. But this helmet, it is so not fitting me. It is crazy how loose it is. And not only is it loose, you know, side to side in motion, but now it's sitting further down on my head. And like, I can barely, I'm seeing the top of my helmet. That's how low it's sitting on my head. That's a cute little dual sport up there. Nice light little flickable bike. And there are some rapids like right here, and I hated when they put this bridge in because you can't see them, and they were really pretty. I did bring my phone. I was smart. Oh, let's go this way. Remember, everything I do is so I don't hurt myself, especially these next 2 weeks. Look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. So I guess I can just let everybody go right here. I mean, this is a good place to end. I had a really good time just being stupid. And I'll shoot a picture, and I'll go just for a ride and enjoy. And that way I won't have to worry about vlogging anymore. So give me a big old thumbs up if you like the crazy riding of the 2015 Can-Am Spyder down the dirt road. And hopefully you enjoy this. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.